Welcome back, friends, hockey fans. Thanks for watching. Credentials finally came in the mail, and they mailed it in just a plain bubble wrapper, and it's a little bit crushed. Hope it will be all right. Box number 8. Might be an Ovi card in there. Got a couple of Allure to open. Brand new. $20 a pack. Got the first 2 packs of the new box, so hopefully there's an auto in there. And some Timmies. We'll open up, start it up, but first I wanted to show some latest hits in the mail. Shout out to Mart for this one. It's a McDavid rookie card. Shift change. Very cool. That'd be my second McDavid rookie, and then that one. And another Hollywood Holloway young gun from buddy Ryan, Senators fan. And I got a little stack here. Forget what's in here. Nice Dazzler. Canvas. That's cool. Alternative threads. Before and after. Yeah, nice, but that's not the best. This might be my best card so far. Oh yeah, number 7, 25. Jersey Auto. Pretty cool. So that's a new centerpiece. Yeah, let's get into some. Had these for a little while. I want to rip some more of them. This will be only the 10 packs that I've opened of this. Yes. Triumph. Cairo. And Makar. Suzuki. 8-point leader, Mitch Marner. Nice card. Obi-Wan Kenobi. And another Mitch. SS. And J-Rob. Jones. In Motion Phenom. It's different. Bennington. Matty Chuckster. And Cam Talbot. In net and keepers. Net keepers. Cool. Oh yeah. Go for an auto here. 16-bit card would be awesome, but those are super rare. Byfield. Color Flow. Red Rainbow. Non-numbered. Oh, we got a numbered card. Oh, sweet. I know somebody that would want that. For 24, $2.99. Got a rookie card underneath that. Lucas Reichel, cool. Got his auto right down there. Needy Mac again. These are nice cards. Rosalick, Marchessault, Byfield. Sorry for the shaking. I'm got hardwood flooring up here. It's not great. Try not to move. There he is. Base card. Oh, Mitch again. Igor Sharangovich. Michael Bunting, Black Rainbow. And P.S. Suter iced out. That's a blue-purple variety. Mikey Bunting. Well, didn't get the auto. Oh. What was that? Red Rainbow? Cool. Well, gotta be an auto hiding in here. And we'll have a new box for the background. Just a little box. 6 cards per pack. Let's go. This guy is following me, I tell ya. Pasternak. Speed of Light. Logan Rookie. Elias Peterson. Tofu Tyler. Getzlaff. Timmy Stutzel. Cal. 25. And Evgeny Kuznetsov, Fox. I got some sort of insert. Hellbox Star of the Night. And a shiny. Hellbuck. McCarr and Needy. Sid the Kid on back. Marc-Andre Fleury. Kopitar. Oh, here's our auto. Should I save it? I'm gonna be that guy. Yeah, why not? Might be a good one. Mine, Aho, Parker Kelly. I got his autograph. I think he's still in Cinder. Swayman rookie. Hey, Leon. Awesome. And Matthews. D-Boss. Stoner. Speed of the game. Barkov. Ross Colton rookie. Riley. And yeah, Carter Hart. What we got here? Only 2 packs left. Hiskinen. Troy Terry. Jansen Harkins. That's a low number. $45.99. Debut ticket. Bertuzzi. 3-star. Stamkos and Gosper. Brady base. Suzuki. Evgeny Kuznetsov. 75, $3.99. What would you call that one? Do not know. Point. And the rat himself. I know someone that would want that. Little Miss Rips. Got another one for you. Oh. Art Auto. Let's go. 44. Who's 44? Oh no. That guy. Just yelling on him. Taylor Hall. Petradian. Sid and 3. Yep. Whoa. That's it for this time, friends. Hopefully, yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching.